Hey, welcome, it's Anthony B. Johnson. I am glad you're here because today we're going to be taking a closer look at Alta Loma's newest luxury community. Have you ever driven through Alta Loma and wondered what some of these empty lots are eventually going to become? Well, today we're taking a closer look at one of the area's newest luxury projects known as the Alta Loma 8. Now, at first glance, 8 homes doesn't sound like a major development, but I actually think projects like this can tell us a lot about the future of Alta Loma and the direction our community is going into. So today, we're going to explore where this project is located, what we know so far, the types of homes that are being proposed, and why this small development is getting so much attention. So let's jump right into it. Where is the Alta Loma 8? Alta Loma 8 is located near the end of Camellia Court, just west of Barrow Street, nestled in one of Alta Loma's established foothill neighborhoods. If you spent any time in this part of the city, you know it's known for larger lots, mountain views, mature landscaping, and a quieter residential feel. The project sits approximately on 4.8 acres and is planned an 8-home luxury community. It's already planned out. One thing that's important to understand is that the project is being developed within an area that already has gone through earlier planning and subdivision approvals. The current phase focuses on building the homes themselves, and completing the neighborhood. Why only 8 homes? One of the first things that stood out to me was the density. When we hear about new developments today, they're often much larger or include significantly more homes on a similar amount of land. Alta Loma 8 takes a different approach. Instead of maximizing the number of homes, the community is centered around 8 estate-sized residences on really large, generous lots. Whether you think that's the right approach or not, it's certainly different from many of the high-density projects that we've been seeing around Rancho Cucamonga recently. The home design. From the public renderings and market information currently available, these homes appear to take inspiration from modern California architecture with farmhouse and contemporary influences. Let's take a look at the proposed renderings. What do we know about these homes? Current market materials indicate several luxury features that help distinguish this community. Depending on floor plan, homes are being marketed at approximately 4,800 square feet to 5,000 square feet. Some of the plans' features include spacious, open concept layouts, of course, large kitchen islands, California rooms for indoor and outdoor entertainment, oversized RV garages measuring approximately 20 by 50 feet, optional accessory dwelling units, commonly known as ADUs, optional swimming pools, multi-generation living options, home offices, and guest suites. One detail I found especially interesting is that 2 of the 8 homes are planned single-story residences, something that's becoming increasingly uncommon in new luxury developments. Who is this community designed for? When I look at the design choices, I don't think these homes are intended for first-time or even like your average buyer. They seem to be designed for people who value space, privacy, flexibility, and a lifestyle that embraces outdoor living. You have large lots, RV garages, optional ADUs, expansive entertainment spaces. Those features suggest that these properties are going to be aimed at luxury buyers looking for room to grow, entertain, or accommodate family. Why projects like this matter? One reason I enjoy covering projects like the Alta Loma 8 is because they help tell a story about our city and the way that it continues to evolve. Every development, whether it's 8 homes or hundreds of homes, represents decisions about land use, architecture, neighborhood character, and the future of the community. Understanding those decisions helps all of us become more informed homeowners and residents. My thoughts: whenever I cover new developments, I try to stay balanced. Some people believe we need more housing. Others want to preserve the character that makes Alta Loma unique. But projects like the Alta Loma 8 often become a good part of the conversation because they add new homes while still remaining relatively low density compared to many of the other developments that are going on in Rancho. Where you fall in that discussion is entirely up to you. But my goal is to simply provide great information, accurate information, so you can make your own decisions and come to your own conclusions. I really hope you enjoy this video and taking a closer look at Alta Loma 8. As construction progresses, I'll continue following up with this project and sharing updates as new information becomes available. If you enjoy learning about the neighborhoods, architecture, developments, consider subscribing because that's exactly what this channel is about. I'm Anthony B. Johnson. I'll see you at the next one.